When will all 8 planets in the solar system align? Although the planets sometimes appear close and relatively aligned from Earth's perspective, in reality, they remain vastly separated in space. As the planets travel around the Sun, there are times when a few of them appear aligned from Earth's viewpoint. But do all 8 planets ever truly align? The answer depends on how we define alignment. The 8 planets in the solar system include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The orbits of these planets are tilted at various angles relative to the Sun's equator. This means that when the planets seem aligned in the sky, they may not actually be positioned in a straight line in three-dimensional space, according to Arthur Kosowsky, an astrophysicist at the University of Pittsburgh. The concept of planetary alignment is more about what we observe from our vantage point on Earth rather than a true physical alignment in space, says Nikita Madanpal, an astrophysicist at Wits University in South Africa. A planetary conjunction occurs when two or more planets appear close together when viewed from Earth. It's important to note that these planets are not actually near each other. Even when they seem aligned from Earth's perspective, they are still separated by vast distances in space. How close do the planets need to be considered aligned? This hasn't been clearly defined, according to Wayne Barkhouse, an astrophysicist at the University of North Dakota. The definition would likely involve angular distance, how astronomers measure the apparent distance between two celestial objects in the sky. If you measure the distance around the entire horizon, it totals 360 degrees. To give a sense of scale, remember that the full moon is only about half a degree in diameter, according to Las Cumbres Observatory in Goleta, California. In the 1997 book Mathematical Astronomy Morsels, Jean Mayos, a Belgian meteorologist and amateur astronomer, calculated that the three inner planets of the solar system, Mercury, Venus, and Earth, align within 3.6 degrees on average every 39.6 years. For more planets to align, it takes even longer. According to Mayos, all 8 planets align within 3.6 degrees only once every 396 billion years. So this event has never happened and will never happen, because the Sun will turn into a white dwarf in about 6 billion years. During this process, the Sun will expand into a red giant and engulf Mercury and Venus, possibly even Earth. So there will only be 5 planets left in the solar system, says Barkhouse. The likelihood of all 8 planets aligning within 1 degree of the sky is even lower. Mayos calculates that this occurs only once every 13.4 trillion years. Meanwhile, the universe is thought to be just about 13.8 billion years old. If we consider the planets align when they appear within the same 180-degree section of the sky, the next occurrence will be on May 6, 2492, according to Christopher Baird, Associate Professor of Physics at West Texas A&M University. The last time all 8 planets aligned within 30 degrees was on January 1st, 665, and the next time will be on March 20th, 2673, according to data from the National Solar Observatory at Sacramento Peak, California. Madanpal notes that the alignment of planets has almost no significant physical effect on Earth. The only impact on life on Earth during a planetary alignment is a spectacular sky show. There's no risk of increased earthquakes or anything similar. The change in gravitational forces that Earth experiences during any planetary alignment is negligible, Barkhouse says.